All right, guys, you're listening to K-Talk Radio, 1640 AM. This is the show, Utah Home Sweet Home. I am your host, Yoshi Shiraki. Our special guest is Nate Lambert. Guys, we have been talking a lot of cool stuff, from creative financing to building a business. And if you've missed any part of the show and definitely want to hear it, you can go to our website, utahhomesweethome.com. And if you scroll down to the very bottom of the first page, actually any of the pages, you'll see the social media links, and then you can click on the YouTube link. We post all these shows on our YouTube channel, so feel free to shoot on down there. If you've got any questions, you can submit them through the website, send us an email, give us a call. Nate, how can our listeners get in touch with you if they want to get involved?
Yeah, that's a great question, Yoshi. So I have a website, investwithnatelambert.com.
Nice.
And here, I got a special offer for your listeners.
Ooh, thank you.
You know, I actually just completed my book where I get into all the details about how to do these deals on seller finance, how to use someone else's mortgage.
Yeah.
Right? You don't even have to qualify for a bank loan. You can do it all creatively.
Yes.
Right? So I'm
Yes.
going to show you how to find those deals, how to fund them, how to raise money, how to crush it with financial freedom so that you can travel the world. I know we're going to talk about travel here in a minute.
Yes.
And so, you know, if they go to investwithnatelambert.com,
Yep.
that's www.investwithnatelambert.com, you can go ahead and click on the link to get a free copy, an electronic copy of my book.
Awesome.
My book is called Active Life, Passive Income, Achieve Financial Freedom Through Real Estate Investing.
Love it.
So that your listeners can jump on today and get a free copy of this book. And if you want to go the distance and learn more about working with me one-on-one, there's some information on the website as well. You can connect with me and we book a time to chat with me on my calendar. I'd love, I've helped over 180 people in 46 different states.
Nice.
To do deals, and some of them have done 40 plus deals.
Wow.
So yeah, I've helped a lot of people attain financial freedom in their lives. And
That's awesome.
I'd love to be a resource for your listeners as well.
Nate, thank you so much. That's a great opportunity. Guys, if you are listening, definitely don't pass this up. Investwithnatelambert.com. Go over there, get the book, start taking some action, read. You know, you might just be 2 years away from quitting your 9 to 5, just like Nate. You know what I mean? And so if you are tired of working your 9 to 5, having a boss, and you want some freedom, definitely entertain. You know, real estate's provided that for myself, obviously for Nate, and a lot of our SOIs, Sphere of Influence friends that we both know. And I think it's a phenomenal tool to be able to live life to the fullest.
Absolutely, and I've helped dozens of people now to quit their jobs, and some people love what they're doing.
Sure.
They want to make some sweet passive income on the side.
Yep.
I show you how to get rentals through credit partners, through seller finance, through house hacking.
Yes.
There's so many ways to build your empire one house at a time.
Yes.
And I'd love to help you with that at investwithnatelambert.com.
Awesome. Okay, Nate, I want to dive into this book that you're offering a little bit. So you mentioned that in the book, you share how to find, how to fund, all these kind of tips in there. Do you mind just sharing one tip on, let's say, how to find these, just so the listeners have an idea of oh my gosh, this is the content in the book, I better go get it?
Yeah, that's a great question. I mean, there's I share 5 top ways to find deals, because
nice.
Finding the deals is so important. I have some software that helps you find. Here's the key, Yoshi. It's not about going on the internet and looking on the MLS. That's not the place to find it. So I have some software that I can help you identify off-market deals. People like these individuals I was talking about,
Yes.
Ann and Joe, who are in a bad situation, need some help, and there's even ways that you can send them mailers, you can go knock on their door, you can decide yourself, or give them a call.
Yes.
You can decide what contact method you're most comfortable with, and I have an individualized plan that I do with people that says, all right, here's the different ways to find them. what way works best for you, for your schedule, for your level of comfort.
Right.
There's so many ways to do it, and I'd love to set an individualized game plan with you.
That is fantastic. I love that. I love how you said mailers. I do mailers. You know Josh Christensen, right?
Yes.
Obviously you do. I know you do. It's funny because I get Josh's mailers all the time. and for those that are listening, I used to sit in a desk in an office that was like 5 feet away from Josh. So I'd bring the mailers to the office and like, Josh, I'm not selling my house here. But
hilarious.
it's a great way to find deals.
It is.
So, okay, awesome. Well, thank you for sharing that.